Hi, welcome to Yoga and You. My name is Joshna Ramakrishnan. In today's video, we're going to learn Pranayama for beginners, level 1. What is Pranayama? Prana is a Sanskrit word which means life energy. Yama is to lengthen it. How do we lengthen this life energy inside us? How do we get this life energy first? We get the life energy because of the breath. We take 26,400 times breath per day. So imagine amount of energy we take in, and if you do it right, we actually can increase the life energy. So what does this life energy do? The life energy is responsible for all your physiological function, including your digestion, your neurological function, your excretion, your circulation, your heartbeat. Everything is because of this life energy. The moment this life energy is finished, that's when we approach death. So how to increase the life energy? This life energy will also make us more immune to all kind of diseases we get in these days. So firstly, we have to clean our system before we actually increase the life energy. So how do we take the breath in? We use our nostrils to take the breath in, and it goes through our windpipe, and then it goes to our lungs. And using certain movements and practices, we can cleanse the system and start making our internal organs work efficiently. So first practice in this is Kapalabhati. It's a preparation for your Pranayama practice. Kapalabhati is a very common practice. You have watched this million times. Everywhere around people will practice Kapalabhati, but there is a right way to do it. How do we do it? So keep your legs crossed in any comfortable position. You don't have to do Padmasana necessarily. You can even do Siddhasana, which is just keeping your legs on top of each other, or you can sit in a chair. The only prerequisite for Pranayama practice is to have an empty stomach. You should not have any food in your stomach before you start the practice. And please check with your physicians to see if you actually can practice Kapalabhati. People with high BP, you're pregnant, there are certain conditions you should not practice Kapalabhati. Because it's a short video, we're going to go directly into the practice. Keep your hands on your knees, either palms facing up or palms facing down. Keep your spine upright, chin slightly tucked in, and you're going to squeeze your belly in as you exhale. So you're going to push the belly in and you're going to throw the air out. So use your right hand to make that movement in the beginning, and eventually you can release that hand. It's a forceful exhalation by pushing the belly in. We're going to do this 30 times and see how you feel. Now keep your hands on your belly, take a deep breath in and start forcefully exhaling the air out. Exhale all the air out. So when you breathe in, it should be a natural slow breath. So it should not be, don't ever do that. Try to breathe in naturally and breathe out forcefully. When you breathe out, you're sucking the belly in. So you do this 30 pumpings and take a break. Take 3 deep breaths. Now if you're comfortable doing this, you try and do this 2 more times. So 30 pumpings, 3 deep breaths, another 30 pumpings, 3 deep breaths. If you feel comfortable, you can make this 30 pumpings to 45 or 60 pumpings at a time. But take it slow and understand your body, and ask a physician or your yoga teacher before you actually start this practice. If you have any more questions, leave us a comment below and we will help you to understand more about this practice. We're going to learn Pranayama for beginner level 2. In this video, we're going to learn another important practice that you can do as a beginner to increase your prana. Like I said in the last video, we have so much of life energy within us. from this time of birth until death, we have this energy to do all our physiological functions. If this energy is not free flowing, that's when we develop a lot of ailments, a lot of diseases. So how do I regulate this prana within me? How can I make my lung capacity more, and how can I increase this life energy inside me? So in today's practice, we're going to learn something called Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. It is to cleanse your nostrils and the tubes, which helps you to breathe in. And we're going to start with any cross-leg position. You can either start with a Padmasana. If you're absolutely not comfortable with Padmasana, you can start either with Siddhasana or any comfortable cross-leg position, or sit on a chair. The only condition is here is you're seated upright. Your back is straight, your shoulders rotated back, your chest is nice and open, your chin is slightly tucked down. Keep your hands on your knees. For this pranayama practice, we're going to take your right hand, fold the first 2 fingers. So the last 2 fingers will help to close the left nostril. The thumb will help you close the right nostril. So now we're going to take the breath in through one nostril. We hold the breath in for a few seconds, and we'll take the breath out to the opposite nostril. And then we take the breath from that opposite nostril, hold the breath in, and to the other nostril. So let's try and see how we can do this. So close your right nostril first. You can do this with your eyes closed. Inhale, slowly take the breath through your left. Hold the breath in, close both your nostrils. As you exhale, you're going to take the breath out through your right. Right inhale. Hold. Left exhale. Make this inhale and exhale 3 seconds long minimum. Inhale for 3 seconds. Hold the breath for 3. Exhale for 3. Inhale for 3, right side. Hold the breath in. And exhale for 3, left side. One more round, left inhale. Hold the breath. And right exhale. Last time, right inhale. Hold. And left exhale. You release your hands. You do this pranayama with your eyes closed. You can immediately feel that your mind calms down. So this pranayama practice not only helps to cleanse your nostril, but also helps to calm your mind. It works both with our body and mind, and prana is the key between this body and our mind. So every time you take a breath, you try to lengthen your breath for 3 seconds. Even if you're walking, you're talking, you're moving, try and make your breath slow and steady. That will help you to gain more energy to do a very full-fledged pranayama practice. Let's say 20 minutes of pranayama practice, an advanced level practice. You need to have at least 3 seconds long inhale, 3 seconds long exhale. And this Nadi Shodhana Pranayama will help you to prepare your body and mind to sit for a pranayama practice. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.